Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your graphics card from your PC for those who don't know how to do it, or even those who are curious about how the procedure takes place. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this top off. You don't have to use this little thing that I'm using. Butter knife would be good, or just ripping it off by your fingers would be fine.
The reason why I chose this is because it gets inside the pieces. Gets inside the places, excuse me.
Set this off to the side. Now in this case, what we're going to do is we have 4 Phillips head screwdrivers on the top in order to remove this glass panel here. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And once you do that, this panel should come off. Boom. And now you have access to your graphics card. Now in this case, what I like to do first is remove this part here. Give it a little shake. Boom. Disconnect it. Now from the side here, you see how there's little brackets here, right there. There's screws here that you gotta detach in order to loosen this up and pull it out. Let's go ahead and do that. I just got this not so long ago, so don't judge me. I know it looks a little plain. I know other people have so much things in theirs. Little by little I'm building, so bear with me, people. And then this you want to slowly pull out. There. And now once you pull it out, this is how it looks. It actually looks really, really nice. Small. The fans are real small, but it looks very nice. And after you remove that, you can go ahead, you can tie these up if you wanted to, so that they're not just hanging in there, or you could just leave it as is, and then put everything back together, step by step, the opposite way of how I show you to remove it. Then once you're done removing that GPU, or graphics card, however you understand it, then you can put everything back together, and you'll be all set. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Peace.